Guys, it's Ivy and time for Dollar General's any day deals, and today we are looking at clearances. Buy one get one half off. That's what we're doing today. So I want to show you what I grabbed so far. Let me show you some first. Go to your coupons. We will be using this 5 off 25 today if we make it up to that half. So tap that. If you hit it, it's going to tell you that it's a Monday through Friday deal, okay? So all of this summer was on display. Now, I am a canner, prepper, all of that. These were $1 green marked, buy one get one free. So they 50 cents each. Now let's look at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 with tops and lids. I don't know if they'll be worth canning, but I will try it. The regular for these are $8. So let's scan this and see. I just want you guys, and it is a display if it doesn't pop up, okay? So let's do, okay, let me scan this, that. Ooh, whoa. Yeah, I don't know why I'm trying that. It might not scan. Okay, pick it up. $1. Buy one green dot, green clover or yellow clover, get one free. So that makes these 50 cents each. Now I found this, ain't that cute? And look guys, $3 green dot. Or what is that, a clover? No, that's a green dot. And then, so I found this for $3. So there'll be $1.50 each. I wish it would have been 2 of these. Another buy one get one dish scrubbers. They are $1. I bought 2 of these, 50 cents each. Now you guys know whenever I find these cups and stuff, I just buy them. So this, he said this was $5 guy off the clearance table. And what is that? A clover. Let me scan it. Okay, $2.50, which is perfect for me. So I'll be getting this right here. And then this rack, one store only had one, so I didn't get it for my bathroom upstairs. Okay, let me scan that. And this was $3.17, and that's exactly what it is. Works like a charm, guys. I love it, okay? Now, we also have this. It's the Hawaiian refills, 140 days, the twin pack. I thought that was leaking. Let me turn it over. That is the code. We're gonna scan that. Okay. And there it is for $2.33. No coupon. That's worth it. Or $1.15 each. Now on this rack, I see junk, guys. I don't see a lot of goodies on this rack. I see a lot of junk. Okay. The candles, they don't have a good smell to them, and you could barely smell them, so that's why I didn't get the candles. Oh, look at that. That's a cute little candy jar, and it's $1.50, never. But let's go back to that rack where it's buy one, get one. Okay, here's the rack right here. So when I look at this rack, I'm seeing like, oh, these towels are $1. So I got the blue, I got this shape. So let me see if I can find some more of those. So I'm gonna get 2 of these, and of course it's missing one, so I end up having to get the orange towel. So they are $1 each, so they 50 cents. Buy one get one. Here's some little cups for $3. Here is some more of these. I like this little pink towel, but I didn't see another set, so I'll put that back. I did end up getting drying racks. I love mats, drying mats. And then 2 of these. Look, here's one. Then I'm gonna have to get this one right here. So that's buy one, get one. Okay, we're gonna get up to $25, then we're gonna stop. But here is the cups that was here. Ain't they cute? Now, let me show you, because I can. So, okay guys, I'm opening it up for you. So here it is right here. Now, I will take the chance and can something to see if it'll work, and then put the tops back on and see. But they should work. I used some generic ones and they work just fine. So I'm gonna try these, okay? And here's the home sale right there. Buy one, get one. It's green dot clover and yellow clover. So here they are right here. You can get more. The bowls are $5, way too expensive. Got this right here. It's a butter dish with a lid for $6. Then you got tables, bowls, you got a bread basket. All of that is down there. And I want you to pay attention to this, guys. Swim and summer toys, buy one, get one free. Okay, so my kids enjoy these right here. Let me see if they on sale. Cause some are $5. Oh, they're on $6. That's pretty. Let me see if I don't see one of those tags over there though. So let's see. Now this clearance is over on Thursday. Let's see if that's count. It's $6. Nope. So that does not count. That's one of the things on sale, and they didn't have it marked, so I can't even complain. But these are buy one, get one free on all of the toys. Swim toys. So that is what I am using my 5 off 25 on this week, guys. It'll be another one that'll print at the bottom, and then I have paper coupons that's coming, and I'm going to use the paper coupons plus the 5 off 25 to get an even better deal. Look for that one on Thursday. So guys, and the last deal I'm going to do is, because I can use my 5 off 25, I'm going to do the buy 2 Ruffles or Fritos and then get an 18 box of the multi-pack chips for free. All right, I'm gonna do that deal also. So I'm gonna get a bag of Ruffles chips and a bag of Fritos, and then I am going to, let me get the Fritos. Which ones do they want? The barbecue twist. And then I am going to get the classic box for free because I just bought a flavored box. So I'm going to get that for free. Right? So there we go. We're going to scan and look at what we are trying to see. So here we go. Okay, those are $10.45. I want you to see that. They $10.45. And now we're going to scan the Ruffles. The Ruffles are $4.50. Buy 2 select Ruffles or Fritos, get one 18-count multi-pack for free. Then I also picked up the Fritos flavor twist, and let me scan those. $4.50. Oh, okay, we see it's $4.50, and there is the deal right there. Let's add it up. $4.50 plus $4.50 equals $9. Take away your $10.50. Guys, y'all, you literally earning. You making $1.50 off of that. So those are free. That's an awesome deal. Not earning it, but it's less than $1.50. So we getting those for free. So let's go check out, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share, Ivy's coupon account. Don't forget, on Thursday I will be doing a deal with my 5 off 25 plus my coupons that I just got in the mail.